Hi, my name is Taylor Converse. I am a senior aerospace engineering major here at Clarkson University, and I am from Syracuse, New York. I had one of those epiphany moments back in high school. My family took a trip to the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, and I had one of those moments where it's like, this is what I want to do. I want to build and design rockets and aircraft. And so that's how I decided I wanted to be an aerospace engineer. So currently I'm on the Design, Build, Fly Speed team here at Clarkson University. During my first year here at the activities fair on like the third day of move-in, I went and I found the design team, and I knew that that would look really good for getting a job, and I really wanted to learn more about aircraft design. And so I went and I joined them, and I just came to every meeting and showed that I was interested and ready to learn more about aircraft design, and I've been involved ever since. Currently, I am one of the co-presidents of the Design, Build, Fly, or DBF Speed team, where I am in charge of all final design decisions. I am handling a lot of the administrative stuff, such as technical report writing. I handle trip arrangements, and I'm just in general in charge of keeping the team on task when it comes to designing, building, and flying our aircraft for competition. I think aerospace engineering is super cool, and just learning how planes get off the ground and how rockets get sent to space, and it's been one of the coolest things. And I just think all the math and the science and the theory behind it are really interesting, and I think there's a lot of opportunity for growth in the field right now too, and there's always this big grandiose idea of where can we explore next, and I think being able to help astronauts with that or pilots with that is one of the greatest, most fulfilling things.